This is a chart we're going to put up that basically says some people think it's going to be a 25% cut, a 25 basis point cut in July. We're talking about now, not June. Some people think 50 basis points, but people believe it's going to happen in July.
Yes, certainly the rates way in the rates boat. We're all over to the other side of the ship. It's pretty obvious whether you're looking at just net positioning in future, whether you're looking at the options market. That's the very, very, very stretched part of the market, and that's a part where it's going to be really hard to thread a needle where there isn't a big reaction in the bond market today. And I think what we've seen, or what we saw earlier this month, is that when Jerome Powell speaks, sometimes everyone can find a way to read into it exactly what they want. When he didn't say patient and when he did say act as appropriate, everyone just projected their own beliefs onto that. So that 30-minute gap between what the dot plot and the statement tells us and when Jerome Powell starts speaking, that's when a lot of people are going to be questioning their assumptions on what they thought the Fed should be doing next month when they tell us this month.
So the confirmation bias then within just the equity market?
Yeah, I think the equity market specifically is expecting at least one cut now. Now, I don't know if that's June or July. I think if they get the assurances in June, you can generally see markets hold in. But very, very clearly, we went from pricing no cut before Jerome Powell's early June speech to all of a sudden at least one. The equity market is nowhere near as pessimistic as the bond market right now. I mean, bond market's pricing in 3 cuts or so over the course of the next 12 months. Our model would suggest that if that were the case, equity multiples should be closer to 20 times earnings. So at 18 times, it would suggest that we're pricing in one cut at least, and we need confirmation that that's coming at some point in the near future today, I would suspect.